Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Safari because Bookmarks live there. Tap the Open Book icon, then pick the folder you want, Bookmarks, Favorites, or Recently Added. Once in the list, tap Edit to enter editing mode. This exposes handles, rename fields, and delete buttons so you can act fast. You're doing this now to avoid extra navigation steps, so make sure to note which folder holds the link you want. If you have many items, use the search box at the top to narrow results before moving on. Once Edit is active, tap the bookmark you want to change to open its detail view. Here you can edit the name and the URL. Clean names help you find links faster. You can also press and hold the 3-line handle to drag items into a new position or into another folder. Moving keeps the same URL but improves organization. If you need a new folder, tap New Folder and give it a clear title, so later searches and Siri suggestions are more accurate and useful. Finish by tapping Done to commit your edits. Changes sync to other devices through iCloud when enabled, so make sure iCloud Safari syncing is on. If you don't see updates, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and confirm Safari is toggled on. Sometimes a short sync delay happens. If problems persist, force close Safari and reopen, or restart the iPhone. That usually forces a refresh. One key tip: sign into the same Apple ID on all devices to keep Bookmarks consistent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.